The Sennheiser EW112P-G4 wireless lavalier microphone system is the audio sidekick you never knew you needed. It comes locked and loaded with a transmitter, receiver, and lavalier mic, all designed to give your sound that professional polish. No tangled wires or awkward boom arms in sight. Record audio like a seasoned pro. Whether you're filming an indie masterpiece, vlogging your cat's daily mischief, or capturing interviews on the go, this setup delivers crystal clear, reliable sound that'll make you wonder how you ever survived on built-in mics. The omnidirectional lavalier mic picks up sound from all angles, so even if you move around like you're leading a TED Talk on roller skates, your voice comes through smooth and steady. The transmitter and receiver pair effortlessly, leaving you more time to focus on your content and less time reading manuals in frustration. Plus, with a sleek black design, it looks as professional as it performs. If you're ready to say goodbye to muffled audio and hello to Hollywood-worthy sound, this Sennheiser system might just be your new best friend. And hey, with gear this good, even your karaoke videos might go viral. Sennheiser microphones are industry standards throughout Hollywood. We've been using Sennheiser gear for almost 30 years. Am I dating myself? These wireless systems are definitely worth the investment. Thanks for watching Trend Punk Reviews. We'll see you next time.